differentiate the following: y is equal to x is equal to x minus 3 over x raised to power 4. Solution. So let me write this as y is equal to x minus 3x raised to power 1 using law of indices. So by so doing, I can have my differentiation, let me call it dy dx, or I call it y prime, y prime, y prime. So now I'm doing function with function, differentiate the outside. So I have 4 into x minus 3x is power minus 1 is power 3 is to power 3. So to differentiate inside now, x will give me 1 times 1 minus x plus 3, because minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 1, that's 3. Then x raised to power minus 1 minus 1, that's minus 2, minus 2. So that's the differentiation. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have y prime is equal to 4 into 1 plus 3 over s square, close bracket, then open bracket, x minus 3 over x, close bracket, raised to power 3. And that gave me the answer. Thank you.